Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm the owner of MGM Innovative, located right here in Post Falls, Idaho. And behind me is the IGR T6024 tube laser from iGolden CNC. It was close to 1/10 of the price of some of the other machines that I looked at. Though I was nervous because I had never imported anything before, they handled all of it. It made it through customs just fine. But what I was really happy with is the technical support team that I got put in contact with at iGolden is super responsive. Even months after I bought the machine, I'm still in contact with them, and if I ever have little questions, I can always ask them. But they speak English. It's relatively easy to understand all of them, and overall, I've been super pleased with this machine. And it's so far it's working really well, and I'm looking forward to bringing in the next machine from iGolden.